This video explains how to operate still and clip of the HVS-490. First, we will explain the file formats supported by the HVS-490. Supported image files are JPEG, Targa, Bitmap, and PNG. Details of the various files are shown in the table below. Image files are loaded using an SD card. Please prepare the image files to be loaded onto the SD card in advance. Insert the SD card into the SD card slot on the side of the OU. From the touchscreen, go to File and then Load. When the SD card is inserted, an icon like this will appear. Double tap to open the folder and display the image file you want to load. Turn F2 knob to change type to still. The images in the folder will be displayed. Tap the still thumb button on the right to switch to the thumbnail view of each file. Select the load destination with F3 knob. You can select the load destination from still 1 to 4, in 1 to 40, VRAM. Selecting still 1 to 4, in 1 to 40 will load directly to each channel, but it will overwrite any other files loaded or captured. If VRAM is selected, it is always backed up while the switcher is running, so it can be used as a backup for still channel and each in channel. You can load files from here to still channel. This also shortens the loading time for each channel. Tap the image file to be loaded and press F4 knob. When you hear a beep, loading is complete. This section explains the rules for clip files. Prepare a series of still image files in a single folder. Please note that there are naming rules for the folder and each file. Folder names can be set to any 16 characters. If the name is longer than 16 characters, the 17th and subsequent characters will be cut, as they cannot be displayed on the HVS-490. Like folder names, file names can be set to any 16 characters. After the hyphen, add a serial number starting from 0 for each file. Go to File and then Data Backup. Turn the F2 knob to set type to clip. Display the folder of the clip you want to load. Turn F4 knob and set Execute to create clip. The clip folder icon and the clip file thumbnail change, and the file structure is now ready for loading on the HVS-490. Go to File, then Load. Turn F2 knob to set type to clip. The clip folder you want to load is displayed. Press the F4 knob to start loading. Loading takes several minutes. A progress bar is displayed at the top of the file display area, so you can check the progress here. Note that no other file operations are possible while clip is loading. When you hear a beep, loading is complete. Go to the Still Clip menu. Select any channel in Still. With F2 knob, You can select whether each channel is used in still or clip. When readout mode is set to frame, still can be used. And when readout mode is set to clip, clip can be used. Selecting input still allows you to load an image file to each input channel. Only still images can be supported here. Tap the icon marked still or clip to display the image files loaded into the VRAM. Tap Update Images in the bottom left to switch to thumbnail view. Select any file and tap Load to load it. If you check the direct load box in the bottom right, you can load any file simply by tapping it.